Hello everyone, Aaron here, and welcome back to Leetcode. Today we are doing the unique Morse code words problem. Another easy one, so I'm going to have a go at it in C, just because it gives me personally a little bit more of a challenge, because I can't rely on things like dictionaries quite so easily. International Morse code defines a standard encoding where each letter is mapped to a series of dots and dashes. So for example, A is dot dash, B is dash dot dot dot, C is dash dot dash dot, and they've given us all 26 letters of the alphabet to do this. Given an array of string words where each word can be written as a concatenation of the Morse code of each letter, so cab is a C and then an A and then a B, if we concatenate those together without spaces, that is the Morse transform of the word. Okay, in practice we would leave spaces because you need space. Okay. I didn't read the whole problem. So here we've got the transformation of all the words, Jin, Zen, Gig, Message, or Mizj. These are all the different transformations, and note that they are all, in fact, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 2 different kinds amongst the 4 different transformations. So what we can do, how do I want to do this? If I was in Python, this would be easy. I would convert each of these to Morse, stick them in a set, return the size of the set. You know what, why make things too hard on myself? Let's do it in Python, and let's just quickly get the solution out. I want to transform I want to return the len, the set of the transform of the word for W in words. And to do the transform, what we want to do is have effectively each of these. A, B, C, D. How can I do this nicely? What I can do is actually, let's call this Morse. 26 doesn't go nicely into anything, so let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's all of them. And then what I want to do is effectively the transformation is the dictionary, which is character of I plus the ord of A going to V for I V in enumerate Morse. So just in the first pass, I'm going to print out transformation to make sure that works. Return the join of the transformation of C for C word. So let's see what this does. Probably made a mistake, that was so fast. No. Excellent, that dictionary looks like it's been made correctly. In fact, you know what, I don't need to make the dictionary every time. Let's call this Morse and self.transformation. self.transformation. This thing's just about a one-liner now. Well, the actual brunt of it is. Jinzen gig message, use all the example test cases and run it. Excellent. Let's hit submit and see how we went. Perfect. We honestly, all of these numbers are so low, I suspect our position in the ranks is pretty much random. So yeah, we'll see. If I was to do this in C, the tricky bit would be the removing duplicates. Effectively, I would need to... God, the easiest way to do a removing of duplicates is effectively to sort your elements and then perform effectively do something equivalent to a run length encoding, but just ignore the actual count in your run length encoding. But that's even a pain because these will get... strings are annoying in C, it's basically the short summary. Anyway, 3 easy ones in a row. That's looking good for me. I'm going to leave it here. Remember to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Do let me know if you want to see anything different on the channel. I'm always happy to show off and talk about more programming things. In the meantime, that's it from me, and I will see you next time. Bye.